What's up guys, so we're here. So let's take a quick look dito sa all new or next gen Ranger Raptor. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Ford Island Conquest dito sa Arca South sa Taguig, ano. And later on we're gonna do a test drive of the new Ford Ranger. So alright, let's start with the exterior. So makikita nyo naman, mukhang mas wider siya with the fender flares and also a different grille, the signature Ford grille. And also medyo iba rin yung sa baba mo. Meron ka ring mga rated na recovery points or tow hook dito. May cover lang ngayon. And then of course, yung under vehicle protection mo na plate, ayan, makapal yan compared dun sa regular na wild track ata. And then, yun, you still get the same LED matrix LED, performance LED ng Ford. So ito yung sumusunod sa'yo kapag lumiko ka, mag-a-angle din yung mga ilaw para makita mo yung lilikuan mo. And your LED daytime running lights. So that's pretty much it sa harap. Yung papala, yung hood, meron din siyang vent. So iba siya dun sa regular na wild track, ano. Alright, so moving on to the sides, we get the wheel and tire setup ng Ranger Raptor. So ibang mags, and of course they put BF Goodrich na all-terrain KO2. So size nito ay 285. Ano na yan, light truck rating na yan, 285/70 R17 na mags. So disc brake up front, and of course yung suspension naka-fox yan, ayan. So moving on the side, ito ang pinaka gusto ko dito, yung stepboard nya. Solid na bakal yan. So pwede mong gawing rock sliders yan. Hindi siya tulad ng mga typical na stepboard na plastic lang, na pag pinang off-road mo tapos tumama sa bato or any obstacle, masisira. Ito, bakal yan, Dodi. So yan, and of course yung 360 camera mo, and then body colored na door handles. Nothing pretty much. Ito na talaga pinagkaiba, yung stepboard, solid siya. So moving to the rear, we got the same bed, except wala ka ng rear box step. So tinanggal nila yan kasi di mo naman gagamitin yung Raptor mo pang kargahan ng mabibigat tulad nung sa Ford Ranger Wild Track and the rest of the other lineups ng Ford Ranger. So ito, more on performance and sports, kaya hindi sila naglagay ng rear box step dito. So ang rating na nito ngayon nung bed, it can carry 750 kilograms kasi hindi na siya naka lip spring tulad nung sa Wild Track or the rest of the Ranger lineup. So pakita ko sa inyo sa ilalim. Ayan, naka-spring na siya. Coil spring, na-fox rin syempre. And banggati ko na rin yung spare mo. You get the full spare as well. Naka-BF Goodrich din na all-terrain. And aside from that, ito rin yung isa pang gusto dito sa likod. Meron ka ring recovery point dito. Solid yan. Makita mo naman, it runs across hanggang sa kabila. Pati kabila meron. Yan. Thick metal. So, pag nabalaw ka, pwede kang maka-recover or pwede kang ma-recover, pwede ka rin mag-recover ng ibang nakasasakyan na nabalahaw. Yeah, that's pretty much it sa bed. Wala lang dito yung ruler mo, pero meron ka pa ring lalagyanan ng mga clamps dito. And you still get your outlet, 12 volts saka 230 volts. Yan. So pwede na pang camping to. Off-road trips, you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it sa bed. Doon naman tayo sa loob. Alright, so sa loob ng Ranger Raptor, it's pretty similar sa rest of the Ranger lineup, but meron ka ng accents dito. So on all colors, hindi napapalitan to. Pare-pares ang lahat yan. And of course yung upuan mo, meron ng combination ng leather at saka ng suede. Ayan, may mga suede insert yan. Dito, yan. And of course, yung seats mo, mas makapal yung side bolstering niya. Kasi alam naman natin yung Raptor, pang sport, off-road sport, kailangan dapat yakap-yakap ka ng upuan mo para kapag nag-jump ka, hindi ka tatalsik. And yun, meron ding Raptor dito na nakalagay sa malapit sa headrest. So yan, different design of seats para sa Ranger Raptor. And yun, same goes with your steering wheel. Meron ka rin dito sa gitna. And yung stitching mo, all orange. And meron ka ring Raptor dito sa baba ng steering wheel mo. Same goes with the vent. May orange accents ka rin. same digital instrument cluster, and then your 12-inch na infotainment. So diyan mo rin na-access yung mga diff lock mo, yung hill descent control or trail control para sa Ranger Raptor, iba pala yun. So trail control sa Ranger Raptor, sa ibang Ranger naka hill descent control lang. Ito, trail control. So yun, pretty similar sa Ranger Wild Track yung Sport. And that's pretty much it. Ito pa pala isa pinagkaiba. Ito meron ng 4A auto. So automatically nag-engage yung 4-wheel drive. Siya na bahala, yung computer na bahala. But you still get your 2H, 4H, and your 4L. And then yung mga drive modes mo. And your off-road button, pag pinindot mo to, magdi-display yung mga controls mo for off-roading. Tulad ng diff lock, tsaka yung trail control. Yan, yung parking sensors, tsaka yung stability control. You also get electronic parking brake and your shifter. Tapos meron ka rin ditong wireless charging and USB-C port at saka regular na USB port. Ito pa yung isang pinagkaiba niya. Meron ka dito mga auxiliary switches. So kung meron kang mga auxiliary lights, pwede mong i-hook up dito. Tapos dito mo na i-switch on. So mukha siyang ito yung trip na trip ko dito sa interior eh. Mukha kang nasa eroplano. Yan, may mga toggle switches ka, which is pretty cool. Alright, so bago ko makalimutan, dito naman sa likod, you still get AC vents and outlet, USB-C and USB-A na charger. Yan. And then yung seats mo, same with the front design, yung accents. Meron din siyang suede, tsaka combination of leather. And tutupin mo pa nito pataas, itong upuan, and then itong sandalan, pababa. And you also have your center cup holder dito. So tinataas lang to para ibaba. Yan. May dalawang cup holder dito sa likod. So pretty similar sa Ranger Wild Track. Yan.
And here are the other interior and convenience features. The windscreen mounted USB port, dual zone electronic automatic temperature control air conditioning, 10-way power adjustable front seats, paddle shifters, and 6 speakers. And for safety and security features, you have 7 airbags for the driver, passenger, side, curtain, and knee airbags. Front and rear parking sensors, electronic parking brake, ABS ESP with traction control system and electric brake booster, hill launch assist and rollover mitigation, hill descent control, volumetric security alarm system, immobilizer, and ISOFIX.
And then for the powertrain, we don't get the V6 and we only get one option, which is the 2-liter bi-turbo diesel, which outputs 210 horsepower at 3,750 RPM. And then for the torque figures, it outputs 500 Nm at 1,750 RPM to 2,000 RPM. And that power gets sent to the 4 wheels via the 10-speed automatic transmission. And finally, it's time to test drive the next-gen Ford Ranger Raptor.
We have a choice of modes. Well, mud and ruts ang option na we recommend. It might be too mild, that's too normal. Pero I think mud and ruts. We get dry and then a little loose lang, sand or mud.
So ito yung wala po sa Wild Track, yung baha mo.
I think so.
Yeah.
So mud and ruts na yun.
Then automatically nag-engage yung diff lock.
Yeah. Pagka mud and ruts, pag-diff lock. So you had a Ford before?
Not yet, pero na-try na namin yung Wild Track.
Wild Track. Okay. Hindi ko ga-airborne yung ganun.
Sobrang ganda po.
Alright, so turn.
Yeah.
So take the drop. Grabe, lambot ng suspension. Ano ba tayo na?
Sorry. I touched it. It's okay ba? Blinking red.
Yep, it's recording.
If you see extra radio in one of the cars, it belongs to Seth. Just give it to me when you come back.
Line yourself up, then better to start from that point so you have enough speed. Okay, go as hard as you want.
So doon pumapasok yung Fox shock suspensions nitong Ford Ranger Raptor. So upon landing, hindi siya nag-bounce harshly and wala rin kami narinig na malakas na kalampag or tulad nung kapag nalulubak yung sasakyan ano.
Pero grabe yung pag-land niya, so ang lambot pa rin.
Hindi siya nag-bounce. Wala
And then for the next obstacle, a very uneven rough road. Dito papasok yung 272mm ground clearance. And of course, ito mo rin magagamit yung 360 camera mo to watch out for any deep holes or para makita mo yung dinadaanan mo. And of course, your rear differential lock, which automatically engages when you switch to mud or ruts drive mode.
Oh my god, hindi lang mataas.
Nag-ano yun, 3 wheels ka lang. Napataas na yung likod.
Oh my god. Hindi ko nakataas na.
Oo.
So yung trail control, gumagana rin sa mga ganitong
Oo.
pero different.
Sige.
So paano po ini-engage ng trail control?
Press it.
Press it,
Yeah.
then
Then let go of the brakes. Yes,
Tapos
press it. You're zero now. Up na mo.
up. Oh. Okay, so hindi ako nakatapak siya na ginagalaw niya.
Pero you have to steer, ah.
Yeah, I have to stay still. Ito lang. Oh, grabe.
If you wanna go, ano. But it will take care of it naman, eh. So, tomorrow, we went up to 3.
Oh my god, so high
You
tech
can actually finish the whole course
with the trail
with your
control.
control. But just add speed lang sila.
As you have seen, we did try the trail control on that obstacle. So basically, yung trail control is just like a cruise control pero pang off-roading. Because you could go as low as 1 km per hour. And aside from that one, ang ginagawa ng trail control, siya na mag-a-apply ng power and braking para makaalis ka sa obstacle or dun sa trail. And as Sir Robbie mentioned, you could finish the whole track with just trail control.
Kasi the problem is, diba, you lose traction, then you back off, and then you add throttle. Yan, bahala siya. Kaya it takes fun out of the driving, diba?
Yeah.
Negative camber.
Dual track, kaya rin ba din?
Walang feature. Ito. Oh, miski yung Everest kaya to.
Grabe ang
Pero grabe yung seat. Pero grabe yung seatbelt. Super grip niya. Kaya kung
So guys, ngayon trail control tayo. Pinamanid ko yun. Saan tayo dito?
A little more to do. Say that. And then, you can feel control.
Okay, masyado nang let's do it ourselves.
Diba? Paano ito na driving?
Yeah.
But, like say, it's unpredictable surface. You need extra.
And then for the steering, when you're navigating narrow or tight corners or roads like this, even with the wider tire, hindi ganun kabigat yung steering wheel niya. Magaan pa rin. Similar to the Ranger Wild Track.
Parang base station. Then there's also hill descent. When you activate, you can climb up and then take care of the
Gusto ko ulit yung kanina.
your option.
Sorry.
The tabletop is a little narrow, so watch your on your phone. Okay.
Ito may hill start po.
Oh, meron. Yeah, that's the same thing that we did.
So pag binitawan ko, hindi siya mag-roll back. Pero pag paakyatan, kaya pa rin ng trail.
Oh, yeah.
Control.
Kaya you can let it go. You can see, there.
Ayun.
You can control naman. Okay. Now, going down, if you want, it'll descend, you press the same
This one,
thing.
right?
And Then you set the speed. 3. Okay. There's a kind of speed for up to 3.
Yung pala yung isa. Ay, hindi
Yeah.
Ito pala yung isa nasa baba.
So, let go of everything and let it drive.
So yung pag nagde-descent, pwede may control yung speed. I-grab ang trip na
You use your step button. Like cruise control.
Yeah.
Yeah, free. Okay.
Gano'ng kalalim po itong
I think it starts like half a meter.
Half a
Then
meter.
goes higher, but with the rain, probably pag
so
7.
tumaas ulit? Yeah.
It's supposed to be capable of 850.
Water reading there. Yeah.
Kasi half the size, about half a meter. The whole size almost.
So as you have heard, Sir Robbie, the Ford Ranger Raptor is capable of 850mm water wading depth. So it's 50mm more than the Ranger Wildtrak.
Straight to the right, so passengers won't get wet. Yeah, more to the right. Si Senyor, baka mabasa. Ito na lang.
Alright, so yan. Thank you po kay Sir Robbie.
Okay.
So kay Ma'am Shane.
Pinakamalakas sumigaw kanina.
And of course, let's not forget its advanced driver assist technology. And that concludes our test drive of the next-gen Ford Ranger Raptor. So it's pretty similar with the Ranger Wildtrak, but better, as you have more toys to play with, and of course, that special Fox suspension. So if you're into off-roading and you want a sporty yet tough-looking pickup and still have the practicality, then the Ford Ranger Raptor is for you. So the price starts at 2,339,000 pesos, and if you want the code orange, you add 15,000 more. So if you have more inquiries or you want to book a test drive, you can contact Ms. Shay Palmes of Ford Otis.
Hi guys! My name is Shane Palmes from Ford Otis, Manila. If you want to know more about our products, just message me from the numbers below. Thank you!
So guys, that's it for our test drive of the next-gen Ford Ranger Raptor here at the Ford Island Conquest at Arca South. So thanks for watching and see you on the next vid.